Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I have here this HP Stream and the problem on it is the battery. So when I plug it in charge, I turn on the computer, it turns on normal. Once I disconnect the charger, everything like shut off. So the computer was like the holding charge enough, but after that it keeps like going down until now I cannot use it without charge. So for that reason I order a new battery, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery on this computer. Okay, so first of all we will need some tools. We will need a Phillips screwdriver, and I think that's it. So first we're gonna start opening these screws here. Let's do it quick. Alright, so we have here, I think there are like some screws, one screw here and one here. Let me check, I'm not sure. So let's open this one. I'm gonna remove this. I think, yeah, there is a screw in the bottom here, and there will be another one here too. This covers, we're gonna put them back. All the screws are the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. So now after I remove all the screws, I will just open the computer and see if I can remove this back from here. I will need a spudger or a guitar pick. Let me show you how it looks like. Yeah, beside the screwdriver I will need this. So I will insert it here. Oh, as you see, there is a screw here. Okay, another screw here. So that's why when you feel like it's not opening, you need to make sure there is no screws holding it. Okay, so now I remove these screws. I guess there is no screws here because this side is opened already. So let's open this. No, I think I have to. I think there are like screws here too. No, there is no screws. So here also there is no screw. As I told you, this is the first time I'm opening this one, so I don't know what is inside, you know. Okay. I'm not using the force as you see because I know what I'm doing, so I'm using the force accordingly. So don't like just use the force and mess up your computers. You need to use it according to what are you about to open. Alright, so now this is released and I will check. I think there are like some cables here. Alright, so you need to open it this way and you will see the cables here. Alright, so we need to open this cable here. We will need the tweezers also. Okay, I remove this sticker here which is covering the cable and I open the cable here. There is a lock on the cable. Try to open it with your nail. Just lift up the black lock. I'm gonna use this one so you can see it clear, and you slide the cable to the back. The same thing with this one. Gently, don't damage the thing, and open it. And same thing for the keyboard, and take it off. Et voila, we remove this one. So now we are here where the battery is, so we're gonna remove this sticker and we will use these tweezers and we will slide this to the back. Et voila, we removed it. Make sure the battery that you have is the correct one. Yes, it is. This is the right part. And now let's see if we can just lift up this one, or it has screws. No, it has screws. So there are like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's remove them. After that you can take the battery out from there, put this one aside and use this. So you put the battery this side first, put it inside here, and after that you let it go down. Put the screws back. Okay, voila. Now we're gonna like fold this one and make sure it fits here perfectly. Alright, so and we will fold this cable here, and that's it. So what we're gonna do now, we will connect these cables. Okay. So now we're gonna turn on the computer. Et voila, it's on. But I need to do the setting because now it says check the CMOS, hold on, or visit BIOS CMOS reset 502. Just wait. Okay, it turns on. Alright, so now while the computer is turning on, what I'm gonna do, I will just like snap it like this. It's on. And it's time for screws now. Put these two screws here. So that was how to replace the battery on this HP Stream. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment area. And also please trust me, I have long experience in these things. And as you see, I replaced the battery quick, and that was the first time that I'm replacing the battery on this computer, which means I can figure it out easy, and if I can, you can too. So just follow the steps and make sure you have an idea before you start doing any repair. For me, I can like do it without like going back to the other tutorials that are on YouTube, because most of the time I can figure it out by myself and find a solution for it. I have more than 15 years experience on cell phone repair, computers and tablets. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask questions. I always try to help as much as I can, and that's why I'm making these videos. And also for you can help me by hitting the thumbs up, because it's really help us to keep making more videos. And you can help us also by sharing this video with your friends. If they have the same HP, it may be like helpful for someone. Alright guys, so please remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and have a wonderful day. Peace.